majority which existed when the rival factions emerged can be discerned and or inferred from 1. The Shinde faction resolution dated 21st June 2022 and 23rd June 2022 available on record of the Legislature Secretariat, and the admitted position which can be inferred from the initiation of petitions against 38 legislators of Shinde faction by the UBT faction. Shinde faction had an overwhelming majority of 37 out of 55 MLAs with the when the rival faction emerged. From my analysis, observations, conclusions and findings recorded in paragraph 82 to 144 herein above, I hold that Shinde faction was the real Shiv Sena political party when rival factions emerged on 21st June 2022. In view of my findings that the Shinde faction was the real political party when the rival faction emerged, and that Shri Sunil Prabhu ceased to be the duly authorized whip from 21st June 2022, I further conclude that Shri Bharat Gogaole was validly appointed as the whip, as that was the reflection of the will of the Shiv Sena political party as on 21st June 2023. Following are the final conclusions, which is again a summary. Have the respondents incurred disqualification in terms of paragraph 21A of the 10th schedule of the Constitution on account of their acts, omissions and conduct?
देश विदेशातील प्रत्येक घडामोडींचे लाईव्ह अपडेट मिळवण्यासाठी आता साम टीव्हीच्या सर्व सोशल मीडिया प्लॅटफॉर्मला लाईक, फॉलो आणि सबस्क्राइब करा. तसंच सर्व नोटिफिकेशनसाठी बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करायला विसरू नका.